we finally broke down and I ordered bed racks so I can RV at the same time and carry my kayaks. That way I don't have to get Jonathan Carter to take my kayak to all the tournaments anymore. So they just got here and I'm gonna check out how hard it is to install them. I have the bed racks on the Ram 2500 for the Ramboxes, so I had to get a special kind of rack. It wasn't, had a little fire going. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. There wasn't a lot of options. They just delivered it, and it's already getting hot. And it's probably going to rain, so I don't know how much time I have. I'll have to check the radar real quick. Let's see what it says. Well, it's so sunny out here. So here, this is what we're working with. Big old box. Alright. So yeah, already blobs popping up. So I'm gonna have an hour, 2 hours, I'm not sure. I ordered the rack from Rack Warehouse. It was a specific rack because it had to work with the Ramboxes and the gear tracks. The whole thing came to about $500, and it took me about 2 or 3 hours to install. They had 2 different options. You could get it in aluminum or you could get it in black. I thought the black would look better, so I got the black. The instructions were really straightforward. It was just like 2 pages. 1 page was a parts list, so you figure out which part they were talking about in the instructions, and I just took my time and it went pretty smoothly. The racks, after they were all installed, they are really rock solid, and there was no doubt that they would not move. I also got Hobie rack pads that are pretty terrible, I will say, but they look good. I had to use some braided fishing line to keep them on there because they were so cheaply made, but it is what it is. The tow in the kayak with the kayak was super easy, and I can do it by myself with the compass for sure, but it's a lot easier and more efficient with the second person. I took a little break because it started monsooning, and we've had a crazy year here in Louisiana with the rain. It just rains just about every day. We had to get it done because we're going on a big trip to do a bass fishing tournament at some state parks, so wanted to get that done. Big thanks to my father-in-law Bill that helped me finish putting the rack up. We have a lot of trips planned this fall, including Grand Isle and Florida. As you can see, it just clips into the gear track and fastens down. The Ramboxes work as intended, and it does not inhibit their function. On the side, it has a push button tab where you can adjust the sights. Unfortunately, one of the 3 did not work. We couldn't figure out why it wouldn't work, but we used a bolt instead. And I guess it's more permanent that way, but it works. So as you can see, there's the bolt that we put in there. The push button just would not hold it, it would just constantly slide on that one side. The other side, however, you could see has a button. Ready for the first adventure.